Did you know bell peppers are not just vibrant and colorful but also packed with health benefits? These versatile vegetables, in their splendid spectrum of green, yellow, orange, and red, are a favorite across the globe. From sizzling stir-fries in the east to hearty stews in the west, bell peppers add a pop of color and a punch of flavor. They're not just a feast for the eyes, but a boon for our bodies. So let's dive into the world of bell peppers and uncover their numerous health benefits. Bell peppers are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that offer numerous health benefits. Let's delve into these benefits. First off, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that bolsters your immune function, promotes skin health, and aids in collagen production. This vibrant vegetable is also an antioxidant powerhouse. The colorful pigments signify an abundant antioxidant content that helps protect your cells from damage and fosters overall health. Our eyes also benefit from bell peppers. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Heart health is another area where bell peppers shine. The fiber, potassium, and folate content in bell peppers contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in bell peppers may have cancer-fighting properties, particularly against certain types of cancers. These versatile veggies also support weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, they are a great addition to weight loss or weight management diets. Bell peppers also possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. They promote skin health too. The vitamins and antioxidants in bell peppers contribute to healthy, glowing skin and may help reduce signs of aging. Lastly, the fiber content of bell peppers supports digestive health by promoting regularity and a healthy gut microbiome. Indeed, bell peppers are a colorful package of health benefits. Bell peppers are not just healthy, they are also versatile in the kitchen. Their vibrant colors and sweet, slightly tangy flavor can enhance a variety of dishes. For instance, they're a fantastic addition to stir-fries, providing a delightful crunch amidst sautéed vegetables and proteins. Their firm texture and hollow interior also make them perfect for stuffing, whether you're filling them with quinoa, ground meat, or a medley of other vegetables. But that's not all. Bell peppers can be a star ingredient in salads too, offering a refreshing, juicy component that pairs well with leafy greens and dressings. And for those chilly days, consider adding them to soups, where their flavor infuses beautifully into the broth. And don't forget, bell peppers also make for an excellent raw snack. Slice them up and enjoy with your favorite hummus, or dip for a healthy, satisfying treat. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember to add a splash of color and a burst of health with bell peppers.